In 2025, the psychedelics landscape is evolving rapidly from federal research initiatives to state-level legalization. The story begins not in Silicon Valley, but in Austin, Texas. Texas makes a big bet. Just last week, Texas Governor Greg Abbott signed Senate Bill 2308, allocating $50 million in state funds to launch FDA-standard clinical trials of ibogaine, a psychedelic known for treating opioid addiction and PTSD. Veterans and first responders stand at the heart of this effort, with advocates like former Navy SEAL Marcus Luttrell speaking to ibogaine's transformative effect on addiction. The bill creates a public-private partnership to rigorously study ibogaine's benefits, though concerns about its cardiac risks remain from earlier National Institutes of Health findings. Statesman.com. New Mexico follows Oregon's footsteps. Earlier this spring, New Mexico's governor signed the Medical Psilocybin Act, marking the first legislature-driven psilocybin access program in the nation. Licensed clinics will soon be able to offer guided, therapeutic psilocybin sessions for qualifying patients under state oversight. Colorado's program takes flight. Colorado, a pioneer since its 2022 Natural Medicine Health Act, is now implementing its state-regulated psilocybin therapy program. Licensed healing centers and therapists can begin offering supervised sessions next summer, following final licensing and safety protocols. Meanwhile, the recent Psychedelic Science 2025 conference held June 16th through 20th in Denver drew over 7,000 attendees and showcased the expanding credibility and reach of psychedelic medicine. Momentum in many other states. Across the map, legislation continues to percolate. Virginia passed a bill to create a council focused on veteran care breakthroughs in psychedelic therapies. New Hampshire introduced a bill allowing adult use and possession of psilocybin without specified limits. Kansas proposed reclassifying a Compass Pathways psilocybin formulation as Schedule 4, paving the way for medical use. Washington, Arizona, Colorado, Oregon, and others are debating regulated services, research funds, or decriminalization measures. Research and federal tracks. Federally, the Innovative Therapies Centers of Excellence Act was introduced this year to fund VA-run centers focusing on psychedelic treatments for military-related injuries and PTSD. Additionally, Phase 3 trials from companies like Compass Pathways Psilocybin, Usona Institute, Awakeon Life Sciences, Ketamine, and MindMed, LSD, are in progress, keeping FDA approval on the horizon. Safety, ethics, and access. Notable concerns around safety and ethics continue to surface. Oregon and Colorado's models face challenges such as high session costs and therapist qualifications. At the federal level, past ethical breaches in MDMA PTSD trials underscore the need for rigorous oversight and long-term data. The road ahead. Fall through winter 2025 Texas ibogaine trials may begin recruiting patients. Mid-2026, New Mexico clinics likely to open under its new psilocybin law. Summer 2026, Colorado ramps up therapy services statewide. Federal watch. The VA Centers Act could advance through Congress, potentially accelerating psychedelic therapy access for veterans. From bold state investments to cautious federal strategy, this psychedelic resurgence is gaining institutional legitimacy, shifting from underground retreats to licensed clinics. The next 12 to 18 months will test whether these therapeutic leaps can be scaled safely and equitably. Copyright Gannett 2025.